Okay, everybody, this is my second time making this video. I'm annoyed. Anyway, and I'm very tired. Go to Pearson. I had to restart my computer because what I used to record just failed, and it just. All right, so what I want you to do is I want you to open up your book. I want you to go to section 4.1. I want you to notice that the homework is due by the 5th. That's ambitious. There are 42 questions. Yes. So if you go to your textbook and you click on the chapter opener, I showed you this today. I want you to start to look over exponential functions. I want you to read the objectives. I want you to take note of what an exponential function looks like. And then, look through the examples. And then here is a graph of an exponential function. This is usually what we start with, 2 to the x and then 3 to the x. Look at the shape of it. What's the domain? What's the range? The horizontal asymptote. All of these qualities that they possess. And then make sure that you look over the characteristics. So for instance, here the domain is all real numbers, and then the range is all positive numbers from 0 to infinity. So I want you to read all of 4.1, okay? And then you go to your homework. And then, hold on, I just have to do all these different things to pull it up. So chapter 4 homework. So you click on number 1, and what we just looked at is what's in question number 1, right? So the exponential function f with base b is defined by f of x equals b to the x. So b shift 6 to the x. And then using interval notation, the domain of the function is negative infinity. So you can use, oops, oh my gosh. Why did that happen? I thought I left the box. I don't know. Told you I'm tired. So the domain, you use the parentheses and you do negative infinity. And then you can hit the arrow to infinity. Don't ask me why it does that. And then the range is going to be from 0. Oh my God. Oh. Start over. 0 to infinity. I don't know. I'm using my mouse pad. I'm going to blame it on that. Okay? So you have the answer to question number 1. So what I want you to do is I want you to use what's in your book, and I want you to match it up. And then let me see, what's question 3. Remember, your section is up here, so it's 3.4.1. I'm sorry, it's question 3, and the section is 4.1. So all of these are related to 4.1, which is what I just told you to read. Again, you can do this. That's terribly easy. Use the example. Use the book. Use the example. And then, like these right here are the transformations. You can look at that. But these are the transformations. So the vertical translation is just taking the function and moving it up by however many, or moving it down. Horizontal translation, look at what it looks like. That means we're moving the graph left and right. The reflection, just flip it. Vertical stretches, that means that, I can have it rise faster, or I can have it rise faster on the net, like go down faster. That's the decay function. So the growth function is up from left to right, and the decay function is down from left to right. Okay? All this means is that the number is in between 0 and 1. It's just a fraction. Okay? So don't forget to put your name in the chat for attendance, and this video is going to repeat. Okay, so hopefully this video does what it's supposed to do and I can upload this. All right, so stay safe.